Hey, alright, Jeff here. In case you were wondering if you really can make a full-time living from sending simple emails, here are the results that I got recently from sending one email. Now, over the course of 4 days, that one email brought in $1,877 in commissions. That's not gross revenue, which you can see here, but those are actual commissions in my bank account. In 4 days from one email. Keep in mind, this is one single affiliate account. I've got probably, well over six, probably 7 or 8 different affiliate programs, both private affiliate programs that not many people know about, to bigger platforms like the one you see now with Paid Kickstart and Warrior Plus, ClickBank, things of that nature. At any rate, I have a lot of these different types of accounts bringing me in money. This is one over the course of 4 days by sending one email. Now, what's cool about Profit Fundamentals is that I'm not only going to show you how to send email, simple email, and make these types of commissions. I'm also going to reveal to you the types of affiliate offers that I'm using. So I'm leaving nothing out. So I've tested literally probably close to 1,000 different affiliate offers at this juncture, being online for so long, at this time in my career. I'm going to show you which affiliate offers work best for me, which affiliate offers I can send one email to and earn close to $2,000 in 4 days. So if you're wondering if Profit Fundamentals can help you create a full-time income online, I think this pretty much clears things up. If you think that I'm full of shit, hopefully this clears things up. I clearly know what I'm talking about, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do what I'm doing right now to earn these types of commissions every single day, every single month in, month out, like clockwork. So go ahead, get access while the price is still $5, and I'll see you inside.